Okay, smart eighth graders. Today we worked with Aristophanes, Steve, and we learned what prime numbers are and what factors are. And the next thing to look at is how do you write a number as a product of prime numbers? And it might surprise you to learn that every number can be written as the product of prime numbers. So the way we do that is we take the number, let's start simple with a number like 12, and we just make a factor tree. I wonder if you did that before when you were in elementary school, maybe 6th grade or maybe even 7th grade. So I think of a number that goes into 12, and the first one that I think of is 2, but you might think of 3 or 4, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to draw branches and write 12 as 2 times 6. Okay? Now 2 is already prime, so I'm just going to bring down 2 because it's prime, and I want to reduce 12 to only prime numbers. Okay? I can branch off of 6. 6 is composite, and 6 factors into 2 times 3. So I'm finished. I have reduced 12 to its prime factors, 2, 2, and 3. So 12 can be rewritten as 2 times 2 times 3, and I can simplify that using exponents and write that as 2 squared times 3. And for my check, I square 2, I get 4. 4 times 3 is indeed 12. Okay? You think you got that one? Let's do another one. Okay? Let's take the number 60. So we'll write 60 like this. And let's suppose the first number that I think of that goes into 6 is 20. So I'm going to write 6 as 3 times 20. Okay? I can bring down the 3. 3 is prime. Anytime you get a prime number, you just bring it down. 20, I can write as 2 times 10 if I want, or I could have written it as 4 times 5. We're not all going to do it the same way, but we should always get the same answer at the end. Okay? So I'm still bringing down 3. I'm not done with my factor tree. I'm going to bring down 2. It's prime. 10 is composite, so it's going to factor into 2 times 5. And now I know I'm done because my last row is only prime numbers. So I know that 60 is equal to, and I'm going to start with the smallest prime. So 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, which can be rewritten as 2 squared times 3 times 5. Okay, so just checking, 2 squared is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 5 is 60. So I checked it. Okay, so I want you to be checking each one. Let's do one more, and then we'll be good. Okay, so let's pick maybe a bigger number here. How about 340? Okay, so you can write 340 here. Okay, so you might get your calculator out. I know 5 goes into 340 because or 10. Maybe 10 is even easier. So I can do 10 times 34. Okay. 10 is a composite number. 2 times 5, and I know I've got down to 2 primes here. What about 34? It's an even number, so we know it's divisible by 2. Okay. Is it divisible by 3? Well, we can check. 3 plus 4 is 7. Nope, 7 is not divisible by 3. So 34 is not divisible by 3. So we'll stick with 2. 2 times 17. Is 17 prime? Yes. So we're done. So we're going to write 340 as 2 squared times 5 times 7. Okay? You think you have it? Remember when you're, let's just review the first screen here. Remember, as soon as you've got a prime number, if you're not done yet with your factor tree, just keep bringing down the prime number, okay, so you don't drop it. And then you can always check at the end. All right, that was a short video. Good luck with your homework, and I'll see you tomorrow.